And we could also put it in pose and pull them like a direction or whatever.
I had to put you in there. And you run away.
Okay. Do you want to turn them? Do you want to...
Okay. Hey guys, quick update. We went to the nursery today and picked up another river birch and we loved it. We also picked up 2 limelight hydrangeas. Actually, they're not limelight, they're limelight punch. So they'll go from lime to like a pink chartreuse color. And then we picked up this Korean, sorry. We picked up this Korean fern and it is just beautiful. Look at this pine cone. Check it out. Look at, I mean, that's the coolest thing ever. I don't even know what's happening right there. And there's our river birch. We're gonna bury these tonight, so keep an eye on what we're about to do.
Really to do now.
Really?
Like I can do that. You need to see me do this.
Here.
You need to go to Bob's on time.
Wait.
So I can show you all my flips.
Bob's on time?
Yeah.
What is Bob's on time?
You need to go to Bob's on time.
Oh.
So I
Okay.
can show you all my
Let's
flips.
go now.
Good?
After we're done digging. We put that rock over there.
Dang, I missed the bucket. Oh, look, a boy.
Oh, we need that.
It's dead.
Save it.
So squishy.
AJ, that's saving it for next year. Don't take it apart. Don't take it apart.
Already dead, Mom.
Honey.
There's literally maggots living in it.
AJ, that's how they look until they grow next year. Put it back there.
Maggots.
Put it in there. And we're gonna put it back. We're gonna put it back.
Dying, Mom.
AJ, that's how they live.
They live poorly.
Honey, the bulb lives in the ground with the animals.
With the maggots?
Yeah. Until next year when they bloom again.
I'm gonna die from this chicken rot.
Have a rock.
Where?
Okay, check it out. So we've got 2 little lime punches, not little lime hydrangeas, little lime punches. And then we've got the Korean fern. And then this, I keep calling it a river birch, but it's actually a Jacquemontii birch. And we bought it in 4 groupings of 4. So take a look real quick. Little lime punch, a little lime punch, Korean fern, Jacquemontii river. Sorry, I was going to say it again. Jacquemontii birch. I have river birches in the back and I love them. This is what this one's going to look like. It's going to be less lime and more punch. So these green panicles will all go to the maroon-ish color and I love it. We got all of these today at Yellow Rose Nursery. I only think this one's the coolest. So we have 1 more to plant tonight for our recent purchases. And AJ's helping, and Baby Joe just got his new little tractor in the mail. This is the beautiful butterfly bush that I think goes really well and will go really well with that lime punch. So we got all those planted in. I used plant tone today as I ran out of biotone. So I think some of the Espoma products you can use interchangeably with planting. I wouldn't necessarily use rose tone here or something that was like garden tone, but I think plant tone and trees is probably fine, but you can use tree tone. I ran out of that, then I ran out of my biotone and I resorted to the plant tone. So we're gonna plant 1 more. And then I think we're done with this whole adding a bunch right away this summer. But we'll let you know. We bought 3 truckloads or 3 yards of top dress. So the next thing you'll see it is all of this space in here, and that's what this trailer is full of. And then I planted this the other night off camera. These are really pretty. These will grow in a row. They're lobularia. They are awesome. They are an annual, but they'll make this area look like a pretty white hedge for a little while. And all these drip hoses that you see will all be covered up by the compost that we bought. So compost is a great way to top dress. Remember I said that early on in the spring. So let's go plant the last one.
Ooh, is that a rock? It's a big rock. Is it? I mean, yeah. I'm going to toss it in.
You can put it on the edge. Hold on. See how we're building an edge of rocks?
But did you see how fun that looked?
Maybe you should go get it and put it on the edge. You don't have to, but next time put it on the edge.
Stuff on the right, broken front piece. I've caught it.
Please do. Okay, our last little bush is called a mini mauvette. This is a proven winner's hydrangea. I'm sure you can tell it's getting dark. But this one is probably my favorite. I still love the little lime punch, but the mini mauvettes are beautiful. And I was looking at this. Remember, there is no shade in our area, but we did just plant that Jacquemontii Birch. And the care requirements are that they adapt to the soil in well-drained soil, fertilize in the spring, put in the borders, and will naturalize. Sun to part shade. You see that? There's no part of our yard that gets shade, so I'm going to try to see how these do. The other hydrangeas that we planted in previous years look like this. Look at the difference. This one didn't even barely come back, and neither did that one. However, this little tree was already shading this area, so I'm really hopeful that it'll create the part shade that it's looking for. And I'll have a video coming up on Shasta daisy care for deadheading and so on. So anyway, guys, have a good night.